Under the night sky, where stars softly gleam, close the memories of today like a gentle dream. Tomorrow will bring another beautiful day. With peace in your heart, let the dreams take you away. Good night, tonight. The quiet